By the end of this video, you're gonna be able to know the exact strategy that smart creators are using to blow up on YouTube right now. And it has nothing to do with buying ads, with posting more, or about speculating with what kind of content is going to work. Because if you simply make the 5 changes that I share with you in this video, it could blow up your channel the same way it just helped this channel get over 170,000 subscribers, this channel over 250,000 subscribers, and now both of them make a full-time living from YouTube. And if you steal this strategy, the same exact thing could happen to you. So the first thing that you need to start doing right now is you need to start using AI in order to get feedback on your posts. Whether you're uploading long form content or you're uploading shorts, you can now upload your video straight to AI and get feedback on exactly what you should change. Here's what you need to do. Now, in order to use AI to give you feedback on your posts, here's what you need to do. First, you need to grab one of your YouTube videos right here. And then what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to come over here to aistudio.google.com. This is 100% free. Most people just don't know that this actually exists. Now, if we click on the plus sign, this is unique because we can upload files here. For example, your unfinished YouTube video, or we could upload a YouTube video here. So I'm going to place in this YouTube video's URL, and then I'm going to ask the AI for some feedback. So I'm going to say, can you give me feedback on the script writing, editing of this video? I want to maximize audience retention. Give me 5 actionable tips. So if we click on run right here, now what this is going to go through, this is literally going to go through, watch the video. It takes like 60 seconds, and then it's going to give you very concrete feedback on exactly what you need to change. Now, to save you some time, I actually did this before over here, and I said, can you give me feedback on how I could have improved this video script and editing? Please be very specific with examples. You could see that this went through and thought for 43 seconds. We could go through exactly what this thought about, exactly how this thought, or we could not go through that. Instead, we could just come down here and we could see this gives us overall strengths, areas for improvement with specific examples when it comes to script and structure, when it comes to visual enforcements, aka editing, when it comes to pacing and information delivery, when it comes to refining the call to action, and then finally with improving visual variety, also with editing. And then it gives me a summary with key actionable steps that will help increase the audience retention on this post. And this is how you can get better every single time you post on YouTube. But that was just the first thing you need to do. The second thing that you need to make sure you're doing is you need to be focusing on where there are content gaps for your audience on YouTube, because otherwise what's going to happen is you're going to be uploading content that is going to be competing against the biggest creators in your niche. And the odds are that your content isn't better than yours. Otherwise, you probably wouldn't be watching this video right now. So instead, you need to be focusing on video topics where there's a huge gap and that the audience wants so bad that they're willing to watch your videos on it. Check this out. So in order to figure out where those content gaps are, you need to come into your analytics, you need to come into trends up here, and this will literally show you exactly what people are looking for. Now, if we click into these, you want to make sure that it says very high interest from your audience, and then you'll be able to see a bunch of different searches and other videos made on this same exact topic. In addition to that, if we scroll down, you'll see new videos to inspire you. Again, this is going to give you really good content ideas based on what your ideal audience is watching. And then under make a short, you will see the same exact thing. All of these things right here, all 3 of these show alls represent different things that you need to make sure that you're doing to increase the odds that your content is going to get shown to your ideal viewer and that you won't have any competition actually showing that content to them. In addition to that, if you come into audience right here, you'll be able to see all the other different channels that your audience watches. You'll be able to see different videos that they're watching right now and what formats they're watching in. I would strongly suggest that you look at this and take advantage of this right here, because again, it is going to reveal to you exactly what your ideal audience wants to be watching, and if you simply just tap into that, it's going to skyrocket the views that you get. Now, the third thing you need to make sure you're doing before we get into the next 2, which are by far the most important, is you need to make sure that you are making multiple pieces of content on a single topic. This is going to increase the odds people subscribe to you. This is going to increase the odds YouTube algorithm finds an audience for your content, and ultimately it's going to lead to growing faster on YouTube. And there's a very, very simple way for you to be able to do this, but it's a little bit complex if you haven't done this before. And what I'm talking about is turning your long form content and your lives into a bunch of different different shorts that'll go viral. Now, I've identified 3 different things that people struggle with when it comes to this. First and foremost, they don't actually know what parts of their video could actually go viral, so they don't know what parts of it to cut up into a YouTube short. Secondly, this could be incredibly time consuming to go through and have to edit all these different videos down because the framing is going to be messed up and a bunch of stuff like that. On top of that, a lot of people just don't have time to go through and cut up their content into shorts. But lucky for you, I found an AI tool that can do this for you, and it'll even give you a score for which one of your clips is most likely to go viral. Check this out. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest that you use Nexus Clips in order to do this for you, because their AI is going to find the perfect video clip for you, it's going to edit it for you, and it's even going to add subtitles. So all you have to do is upload the long form video and boom, you're going to get viral shorts ideas straight from that are ready to publish. Here's how it actually works. You literally just log into Nexus Clips, sync up your YouTube channel, and now you're gonna be able to edit specific clips that you want to grab, or click on Create Clip right here. It's going to bring up all of your past content. Like this video I uploaded 5 days ago. I'm gonna click Generate Moments and then click Got It, and boom, this is gonna go through, analyze my content, and actually get those clips for me. In addition to that though, I can highlight the top things that I actually want to do. For example, moments that demonstrate effective use of task scheduling or anything I put in here. So I'm going to click this right here, click Generate New Moments. I'm going to skip this step and boom, this is going to go through and actually generate those for me. So now Nexus Clip has literally gone through, made all these clips, and it gives you a score of how likely this is to potentially go viral. Now, if I click on this right here, all I have to do now is click Create Clip up here. I could go ahead and I can adjust the length. For example, I want this to be 17 seconds. Then I click into Edit up here, which will bring me in here where I can now affect the hook. I can put different stickers on here. I can add subtitles. I could change the framing, and then boom, export this video. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest you go to the pinned comment below and register for Nexus Clips today. This is an absolute no-brainer. It's going to help you increase your views, increase your subscribers without you doing extra work, because their AI features are amazing. Now, step number 4 is you need to make sure that you are ranking for search with YouTube Shorts. This is the biggest opportunity on YouTube in 2025 for 3 reasons. First and foremost, when people search for something on a mobile device, more often than not, they're getting surfaced a YouTube short and not a long form video and not a live. So if you only post lives and you only post long form videos, guess what? You're missing out on people doing searches on mobile devices. Secondly, YouTube is now ranking YouTube Shorts for searches on Google, and it's competing against TikTok posts, against Instagram posts, and against other YouTube Shorts. So again, this is going to drive more traffic to your page. And then the third reason that this is a huge opportunity is because people are way more likely to subscribe to somebody's channel after watching a YouTube Short versus a long form video. In fact, the users are 2 to 3 times more likely to subscribe after watching a short as opposed to a long form video, which means the more shorts you upload, the more views you get from shorts, the quicker that you're going to grow on YouTube. In addition to that, you could use these shorts to drive people to a sales video. You could use these shorts to drive people to your long form content. And ultimately, this is going to increase the odds that you get discovered on YouTube. Because like I said, if you're ignoring YouTube Shorts right now, it's one of the reasons you're not growing as quickly as you want to. And if you do want to rank for search on YouTube, there are 3 simple things that you need to do. First and foremost, you need to know what your ideal audience is actually searching for. Then you simply put those keywords in your title, in your description twice, in your tags 5 times, and make a video that actually solves their problem. The quicker that you could solve their problem, the quicker you are going to get subscribers, get views, and that your video is actually going to rank for search. And then the last and most important thing that you need to make sure that you're doing if you want to grow as fast as humanly possible on YouTube right now is you need to make sure that your audience actually thinks that you care. And there are several ways that you can do this. The first way that I love to do this is you should respond to every single comment that you get. I literally try to respond to every comment I get, and I have over 800,000 subscribers. I am running multiple businesses. I am running multiple YouTube channels. I am helping multiple people grow on YouTube, but I still find the time every single morning right after I grab my coffee to go through and respond to YouTube comments. And you need to make sure that you're doing that same exact thing, because the more that you're willing to do this, the more that your audience is going to trust you and like you. Secondly, you need to make sure that you're uploading about the same topic every time that you post on YouTube. Now, Not literally the same topic, but you need to be posting about things that that audience is also going to be interested in, because if you steer away from that, it's going to slow down the growth of your YouTube channel. And then third, you need to make sure that you're using the community tab in order to keep people updated when you aren't uploading videos. And as a bonus tip, I would strongly suggest that you go live right now on YouTube. Again, this is going to help foster a sense of community. And the more that you do all these things, the quicker you're going to grow, the more views you're going to get, and the easier it's going to be for you to get monetized on YouTube. And if you're serious about growing on YouTube right now and you want to get monetized the same way that I helped this creator make a full-time living on YouTube and this creator make a full-time living on YouTube, well, please keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are two things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those two things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.